Do you know that there are companies willing to pay you $20 every hour to respond to their messages? We have busy business people who do not have that time, so they are willing to pay you money. And in this video, I'll be sharing with you 3 websites that will actually pay you money to respond to messages. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. This is Kemi of Side Hustle. If you are new to this channel, please do want to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share. And let us also know where you are watching us from. And if you are a returning subscriber, as usual, we'll love you. So in this video today, we'll be talking about 3 websites that can actually pay you to respond to messages. Now, have you seen a website where they will tell you to click on live chat or live support? Now, those people behind the live support are actually individuals like you and I that actually get paid for their services. So now, the first website we'll be looking at is called SimpleFlex. SimpleFlex.com actually connects you to experts who are website owners, business owners with busy schedules. Now, they don't even have time to reply to questions, inquiries, technical issues, and all of that. And that is where you and I come in. You and I will be signing up on this website as experts. Now, the website will link us with business owners that require our skills. Now, they do not only require ordinary skills. You need to be patient. You need to learn how to answer to customers that are actually furious, angry, or temperamental. There are some customers that are actually trying to access a website and the website is not responding. They've done their best and it keeps giving them glitches and all of those things. When that kind of a customer comes to chat with you, believe you me, that customer will be very, very angry. So you need to know how you can calm the customer down. Talk to the customer. Please, this is a technical issue. Be patient with us. Let me know what you are facing. Let me see how I can help you from my own end here. Here and there. And you don't even need to be in the same location with that business owner. This is actually a remote job. It doesn't matter whether you are in Nigeria, in South Africa, in the US, in the UK, in Afghanistan, wherever you are in the world. This particular website, SimpleFlex.com, will actually be your go-to when you're trying to make money as a chat support or chat moderator. So now, guys, the next website here is called ZipRecruiter. ZipRecruiter actually is a website that connects job seekers to job owners. If you're looking for a chat support job, go on ZipRecruiter. ZipRecruiter will actually link you up to a job owner. That is their job. All you need is your good CV. Go online, browse about CV templates, restructure your CV to a CV that can work internationally. And when you restructure your CV to a CV that can work internationally, ZipRecruiter has no problem with you. Aside that, you also need to take a course in customer relations. You can go on mindluster.com. You can also use upspot.com. You can use Khan Academy. Just go on those free websites, take a lesson or a course on the potentials or the duties of a chat support before you sign up on ZipRecruiter. Now, the last but not the least will actually make you $20 an hour just to chat with people, and it's called SiteStaffChat.com. It's actually a website that actually links you with people, business owners that can actually employ you. The first thing you need is to apply. Once you apply, they'll ask you to do an aptitude test or a test that will qualify you or disqualify you. Now, the test is usually simple. They ask you technical questions on how you can actually respond to customers that are tense, that are furious, or that are already angry. How you can calm them down and still make them to buy whatever they intend buying. And this is what the test will cover. Now, the next one is you have to wait for their review. They'll call you for a virtual interview. And once you are good to go with your application, the next thing is they'll bring you on board. Now, do not worry about their payment means, because even if you do not have a PayPal account, they can pay you through Skrill or Payoneer, so you don't need to worry. So just head straight to any of these 3 websites. The first one I listed was simpleflex.com. The second one is ziprecruiter.com. The third one is sitestaffchat.com. All these 3 websites are actually simple chat websites. Now, if you need a bonus or an extra website where you can easily get people that are looking for people to work as their chat support, just go on Upwork. Once you sign up on Upwork, go on their latest batch and type in chat support. You will get thousands or dozens of individuals looking for chat support on Upwork. But before you do that, like I do advise, please have a little knowledge. Like I have said in the past, do not just go and opt on the job chat support and start applying. These people are not mad, they are reasonable individuals, and they test you before they employ you. Nobody is willing to waste his or her money on anything that will not be productive. So please acquire knowledge on whatever niche you intend to go into, or whatever field you intend to sign up on or work with. So if you are a full-time housewife, you can go on any of my listed websites and sign up and learn about it for a week or 2 and start applying to this website. Now, if you're looking to go on with Upwork or Fiverr, I have a template on my Telegram where you can actually the template, edit it to your own taste and send to your clients. So with that being said, guys, try and start making money as a chat support, and I'll see you guys in another video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please do want to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share, and I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.